On today's episode of Fix It With Fire, I am actually trying to rejuvenate these plastics a little bit. This is my 2003 WR450. All these white bruise marks that are on there, that was what this whole fender looked like. All this stuff was just kind of bright white. Now, it is definitely not perfect, but I mean, this is a 20-year-old bike. All right, now, I've gone over some of this already. I'm going to show you here. It kind of becomes darker blue again when you go over it with this. Now I get that new plastics aren't very expensive, but I don't really like the look of mismatched plastic. So if I'm going to get new ones, I want a new tank and everything to go along with it. I'm going to keep going around here a little bit. Okay, now let's flip that over. Okay, now let's see what we can do here. Just definitely want to go slow and not put too much in any one spot. Hopefully you can see there, it really seems to melt and kind of return to its natural color. This stuff is like 20 years old though, so I don't expect it to be perfect, but I would like to just get those marks out of there as much as possible. Wow, that is so much better. Holy smokes. Man, that is absolutely insane. You can still see that this stuff's kind of drying still. Takes a minute, but man, that is such an improvement. You look at this side here, like that's the kind of marks it had all over it. And now, you know, they've just softened so much. Yeah, so again, huge improvement. It's not perfect, but compared to that, there was just these bruises and marks everywhere. I haven't done that one, obviously. Huge improvement on these. This one, absolutely not perfect. But again, at a glance, much better. I'll probably put plastics on this at some point. I would like to get the bigger tank, but it's all pretty expensive, especially the tank. They're actually quite a bit. I pulled it off the bike just because you don't want to be shooting a blowtorch at your gas tank. That is always a bad idea. Anyways, gonna keep picking and poking away at this. Seems to be doing an improvement on it. You just go slow and try not to put too much heat on there at once. This is cooled down. I'll probably give it another once over here and see how that goes. I would say on the front fender, I average, you know, probably 4 or 5 times going over it. And every time it just seems to pull a little bit of the white out of there and return it back to a bit more of its natural kind of color. You can see this thing moving around and contracting a bit. These things have plenty of flex, so I don't think it'd be a huge issue getting all the screw holes lined back up. But anyways, as you can see, it is an improvement. So I'm gonna keep picking and poking away at this. Very excited to go for a ride this weekend. I'll probably be going quadding in the snow on Saturday probably, and then Sunday we'll be on this, so stay tuned to the channel. I will definitely be posting some videos. And anyways, thanks for coming along. Please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.